Okay, what we got here is a Galaxy S5 with a cracked LCD. It's kind of hard to see it, but there's little lines on the inside. The glass on the outside is in good condition, but the LCD on the inside is cracked. So we're gonna go ahead and without too much concern, we're gonna go ahead and remove the broken LCD, since there is nothing that we need to be concerned to save. We can go ahead and do it without a heat gun. Be careful not to scratch the frame of the phone, and the adhesive is located all around the frame. So that's what we are separating right now. Once we get to the home button area, we are gonna use the heat gun to ensure that we do not damage that area. Go ahead and remove the LCD connector. And it just came unplugged. We're gonna go ahead and move our prying tool down to separate the broken screen from the frame. Right around this area is where you're gonna see the home button flex cable. We want to make sure that we do not cut it, and that we separate it also from the broken screen. Gonna improvise a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and put the heat gun where the back lights are. And remember, if you were to break the back lights, now you're looking at a charging port replacement, since it's the same circuit. Slide our prying tool in between the glass and the backlights. Now we'll do the other side. Want to make sure they're still functional, so we press the power button, and as we see them turn on, it's still functional. Now we separate the home button from the broken glass. In order to do that, we heat up the area around the home button, where the adhesive is. And remember, this is a fingerprint scanner, so you want to avoid any damage to it. You want to peek in, make sure that we are not going to slash, cut, or damage those backlights in any way, shape, or form. And now we're going to go ahead and separate that home button. We apply heat. And we're gonna go ahead and peek in from the inside. We have the backlight separated. Now we're just working on the home button. And this is pretty tough adhesive, but remember, you gotta be very careful because you are dealing with the home button and fingerprint scanner. And here we go, got a good separation going on. Apply heat directly to the adhesive. And we have accomplished separating the broken LCD. We want to make sure that this button is still functional before we go ahead and put a new one in. So we click on it and you see the lights coming on. We let them turn off. We click on it again and the lights come on, so the home button is working. It hasn't been damaged. And now we are done with our heat gun, so we're gonna go ahead and put it away and clean the frame around the phone. in order to have a really clean surface for the new screen. In this case, we have adhesive, all adhesive left on the top, on the bottom. To be honest, we're gonna recommend, unless you got broken glass shard on it, go ahead and leave it, because that will give the new screen a better grip on the frame. So here we got our new screen. We're gonna go ahead and apply adhesive on the sides. And now we're looking for scissors. Here we go, we got the first strip of adhesive. Juan, I didn't get to test the front-facing camera for her. Go ahead and put some pressure on that adhesive, make sure that it sticks to the frame. I'm gonna use a little bit stronger adhesive on the top and bottom. Make sure you do not cover areas like the charging indicator, the ear speaker, and the proximity sensor, which is this one right here. And obviously you don't want to cover your front-facing camera.
Screen. I know you said you have a month and a half left, but if you have any touch problems with discoloration, you can bring it back and we'll take care of it.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Not a problem. You have a good day.
Right, you are.
Anything you want to look at, or no?
So we have the adhesive applied to most of the phone frame. We're gonna go ahead and test the new screen before we glue it in place. Make sure that we don't have no issues with the screen. And we don't got no video, most likely due to the fact that the phone hasn't been reset. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the battery and turn the phone back on, and you should be getting video after that. And there you go. We're gonna test the touchscreen after that. Now this is a Verizon Galaxy S5, but this repair video applies pretty much to any, and as you can see the touch works. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it off. Like I was saying, this repair applies to any Galaxy S5. Phone is off. We're going to continue the repair without the battery. And we're going to go ahead and lift it up again and start removing the covers on the adhesive so we can secure the screen in place for good. So carefully, preferably with a plastic prying tool, we're going to remove the LCD connector again. Remove the adhesive on the new screen. And now we're going to go ahead and remove the adhesive strips, plastic strips that cover it.
I don't know how it is now since the 630 release, but when we were going on eBay and looking through, and we compare our prices that we get on eBay, they had a 15-day money back guarantee, and you can send it back if it's not what you want. And like right before the 6 came out, there was a lot of people trying to sell their stuff. And we've seen like 5S's, like 32 Bs for like 300 something. You know? So I would just check on there for something to see how it is.
And we only got 2 strips left to clean, to remove. Got a few clients in the store right now. That's the noise that you hear in the background.
The good thing is, if you don't like it, you can use it for a month, and then you don't have to. There's like no obligation. You can just not pay it. Yeah, you can just port your number over.
And here you go. Now we're ready to put the new screen in. Now we're ready. Gonna go ahead and remove the protective covers of the new screen. Protective plastic covers of the new screen. And connect it to the phone itself. Move a little debris that is here and set the new screen in place. Apply some pressure around the edge where the adhesive is. Put in the battery, turn it on, and we are good to go. This concludes the repair for the Galaxy S5. Please make sure that when you do it very carefully, not to damage that home button and charging port backlights. Give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.